Hello, I am Derek Gerke. I am doing my presentation for SCR 416. I'm doing it on the prototype model. The prototype model is a six-step model. The first step is to gather the requirements and analyze them, which is where you ask the users what they expect and want from the system. Then you create a basic design and build a prototype. Once you've built the prototype, you will give it to the user for initial evaluation and for the design and the performance. After that, you will refine the prototype based on their feedback. Once that is done and you have a final product that they like, then you will implement the product and maintain it. The strengths of the prototype is first off, just in the name, it's a prototype, which means the customer gets to see a partial product very early on for evaluation. Uh, New requirements can easily be implemented and as well as fixing missing functionality. There will be early feedback, which can help make sure that the product meets the customer needs. And there's an opportunity to early test and validate the design because the customer receives the product early or a prototype of the product early. They can tell you if you are missing anything that they needed or if they want to change the design. The weaknesses are there's poor documentation because the requirements are constantly changing. Uh, the prototype can be inaccurate. It could be because you don't have the ability to implement everything that might be in the prototype. Maybe it's not feasible. Maybe it's not scalable. There's a lot of reasons why that your prototype may not reflect the final product. And the time spent developing the prototype may take away from time you could be doing developing the final product. And the changes the customer wants may increase the cost and time. It's best suited for when the requirements are unclear because it adapts very well to changes in requirements. It's really good for developing user interfaces where it's a user interface to a more complex system because there's less technical feasibility issues and it's much more reliant on user interactions. And it works very well for demonstrating the technical feasibility of a product. Thank you.